Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache NetBeans in Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So to download the software in Google search box, write the NetBeans, go on this Apache org site. Then you can get this 29 version. Click on this download. Let's right click, open a new tab. So here you can see NetBeans 29 is now currently downloading. The total size is 492 MB. Now thereafter minimizing this one, let's open their terminal. If I write there Java minus minus version, so you can see Java 26 version that install. If I write there Java, this working, and here if I write Java C, this also working. So Java must be installed in your system. Then you can use this Apache NetBeans inside the Ubuntu operating system. So here you can see the total status. Now you can see this NetBeans that's downloaded. Let's click on this in folder. Thereafter simply need to extract the files. So file is now here extracting. So this NetBeans 29 is the latest version. So file is extracted. Double click on this NetBeans. Then here you can get this all. Let's go into the bin. Click, then open in terminals, and there I'm going to write this command dot backslash netbeans. So this here you can see netbeans is now opening. So here Apache NetBeans ID is now opening. This here now first is there you need to create a new project. Let's give the test one. So Java Maven Java Gradle you can create. Let's use the Java Gradle. Configuring the Java cluster because this is using the first terms. Activating Java SE. And let's give the project name test. And here let's click on this finish. See this that's come there. So let's right click, then run file. Then Java 26 that's detected there. And here hello world that's so display. Let's do some changes. Control S to save, right click, run file. So here hello world that's the display. So this is the most simplest way we can install the uh, Apache NetBeans. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.